Plaid refusing to connect to your bank again? Don't smash that phone just yet, because in the next minute and a half, we're going to troubleshoot that annoying cannot connect to institution error and get your accounts linked up again. First, let's understand why this happens. The cannot connect to institution error in Plaid typically pops up due to a few common culprits. Your bank's website might be down for maintenance, your login credentials could be incorrect, or there may be an issue with Plaid's connection to your specific bank. Step 1. Check your bank's website or app directly. See if you can log in there. If your bank's site is down, that's likely the problem, and you'll just need to wait for them to resolve the issue. Step 2. Double, triple, and even quadruple check that you're entering your username and password correctly in Plaid. A simple typo is the most frequent offender. Consider resetting your bank password if you're really unsure. Step 3. If your credentials are correct and the bank is up and running, try reconnecting your account through Plaid. Sometimes a simple refresh can kickstart the connection. Navigate back to the Plaid interface where you were trying to connect and retry the linking process. Step 4. Still no luck? It could be a temporary issue with Plaid's connection to your particular bank. Contact Plaid support. Explain the issue, mentioning the specific bank you're trying to connect. They can investigate any known issues and provide more targeted assistance. You can find their contact information on their website. And finally, as a last resort, consider linking your bank account using an alternative method if Plaid offers one, or exploring alternative financial apps that might have a more stable connection with your bank. That's it. Hopefully one of these steps got you back on track.